If you want to trade crypto like a professional, without analyzing charts yourself, and without spending all day in front of a screen, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about copy trading on BingX, how it works in practice, how to use it properly, and why it has become an increasingly popular solution among traders in 2026. Before we start, the first step is of course to have a BingX account. If that's not the case yet, you'll find a link in the video description and in the pinned comment to sign up on BingX with lifetime trading fee discounts and sign-up bonuses. Once you're logged into BingX, simply click on the copy trading section. From there, you can choose between futures copy trading and spot copy trading. Futures copy trading is the most popular option because it allows you to benefit from both bullish and bearish markets, while spot copy trading is simpler and works without leverage. In the copy trading section, BingX provides a complete list of traders to copy. You can sort and filter them using many different criteria: account level, assets under management, number of copiers, cumulative profits, profits generated for copiers, RSI over recent periods, and even the risk score. BingX also highlights different trader profiles. You'll find highly performing traders on perpetual futures with detailed metrics such as their returns, recent drawdowns, Sharpe ratio, and assets under management. There are also rankings based on momentum, traders that have been trending over recent days, high potential profiles, as well as more conservative traders focused on steady, long-term growth. Each trader has a detailed profile. When you click on a trader's profile, you can review their history, performance over different timeframes, their trading style, and sometimes even messages or comments they share with their copiers. This is a crucial step to understand exactly what you're about to copy. Once you've chosen a trader, simply click Copy. You can choose to copy trades using a fixed amount, where each position always uses the same size, or using a fixed ratio, where your positions are copied proportionally to the trader's positions. You then define your total investment amount with a minimum requirement, usually starting from around 20 USDT. You can also add, if you wish, risk management settings, such as global take profit or stop loss levels. Once the parameters are set, you confirm the terms and disclaimer and then click Copy Now. From that moment on, all new positions opened by the trader are automatically copied to your account according to the rules you defined. You can track performance in real time, adjust your allocation, and stay in full control of your capital at all times. Copy trading is particularly interesting for beginners who want market exposure without trading themselves, but also for more experienced traders who want to diversify strategies or automate part of their trading. That said, it's important to remember that copy trading involves risk, especially when it comes to futures trading with leverage, and that past performance never guarantees future results. When used properly, copy trading mainly allows you to save time, stay disciplined, and avoid certain emotional trading mistakes. If you want to try copy trading on BingX, you'll find a link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up with lifetime fee discounts and sign-up bonuses. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for the next one.